Senator Sakaja akoretwo agithanwo nake ni maobitha a borithi kuma muthenya wa Jumamothi riria arekereirio thutha wa guikio ngono mathaa ma utuku agararite mawatho ma gukorwo kienderio-ini kia njohi mathaa ma curfew. Abire kwineana kuri maobitha a ceceni ya borithi ya Kilimani, kaunti ya Nairobi, agitongorio ni mawakili yake John Haminwa na Mutula Kilonzo Jr.
But the fact that the whole of Saturday and Sunday more than 50 officers brandishing guns have been going to my residence. I'm not a fugitive. My children have not committed any crime. Why come intimidate them with guns?
He gave me that undertaking that he's willing to abide by the law, because the sentiments over the weekend and this morning that he was running away or had disappeared was something that we needed to debunk this morning. Because the people who are running that agenda wanted Sakaja to be handcuffed.
Senator Sakaja has no alternative. He has to appear in court tomorrow. They have made up their minds, but we don't know what offense, but they seem to have made up their minds to take him to court tomorrow.
Ni undu wa giconoko kiria Senator Sakaja atungitie kamiti ya Senate ya kurumbuia maundu ma COVID-19 iria akoretwo agitungata ta muikariri giti arihira thogora wa kwagarara mawatho maria kamiti ino ikoretwo igitindikiriria kuri muingi.
I also wish to state that I resign from the ad committee on COVID, which I've been chairing. We have done a lot of work so far. I support the work that the government is doing, and the officers, I think they're doing a good job across the country. But because of that responsibility and the example that I need to set, I have this morning officially written to the Speaker about that.
Ona gutuika ni etikirite gukorwo aunite mawatho ma COVID-19 na akahoya urekeri, ni areganite na riboti ya ati ni anyuaga njohi na ihinda-ini riu akoria muingi ndukaringe itherũ gwati wa murimu wa COVID-19.
The disease doesn't know any station or any political office, and as I've said, I will bear responsibility for the legal issues.
Sakaja ikirio ngono ni maobitha a borithi kirabu-ini kimwe mwena wa Kilimani na tanyitwo kuhingurirwo thitango ya kwagarara watho wa COVID-19 muthenya wa rucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngige wa Nyamu.